In GCSE Biology, blood is an important part of the circulatory system. Blood transports substances around the body and helps keep our organs working properly. Blood is made up of several different components, and each one has a specific function. The main parts are red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Understanding the job of each part is a common GCSE exam topic. Red blood cells are specialized cells that transport oxygen around the body. They contain a protein called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen in the lungs. The red blood cells then carry this oxygen through the bloodstream. Red blood cells also have a biconcave shape, which increases their surface area and helps them carry oxygen efficiently. Now let's look at the exam question. Which of these best describes the function of red blood cells? A. Fighting infection. B. Carrying oxygen around the body. C. Helping blood to clot. Or D. Controlling body temperature. Let's consider each option. A. Fighting infection. This is the job of white blood cells, which protect the body against pathogens. B. Carrying oxygen around the body. This is the main role of red blood cells, thanks to the hemoglobin they contain. C. Helping blood to clot. This is the function of platelets, which help stop bleeding when we are injured. D. Controlling body temperature. Blood helps distribute heat around the body, but this is not the specific function of red blood cells. So the correct answer is B. Carrying oxygen around the body. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. Exam tip: remember the key roles. Red blood cells carry oxygen, and white blood cells fight infection. Platelets help blood clot, and plasma transports substances like nutrients, hormones, and carbon dioxide. Knowing these roles helps you answer many questions. At ProfessorBite.com, we offer one-to-one style AI tutoring. Good luck with your revision.